here's how to use the measure tool in NX. If we're in manufacturing or modeling, you can go to the analysis section and then you can click measure in the top left corner. This measure feature has all of the measuring functions incorporated into one simple location. We can measure objects, points, vectors, object sets, point sets, or our Siemens origin. So we'll quickly just go through a couple of the functions here. If we use object, we can simply click one object to a second object and it will give us a distance and angle between those objects. To do another measurement, we can say apply. So there I just did faces, but with object we can also do lines. So we could do a line to a second line. Do the same thing. Say apply, let's do our next measurement. With the point function, we can measure 2 points. So we could go from a center point of this hole to a center point of this hole. There it's going to give us the distance from point to point. We can say apply, and then we are good to go there. We also have the ability to measure from our origin to a location. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel out of this, and we're going to toggle to our geometry view. We're going to double click on our MCS mill, and we're going to save our MCS. Go ahead and say OK. We now have this amber or brown colored MCS on our main MCS. We can then go back into measure, and we can click Siemens. So now we'll be able to select that MCS that we just picked. Oh, sorry about that. Select our Siemens, and then we can select a point. Once we do that, we can select a point, and it's going to give us a location from our MCS to that point. This is great for giving operators or setup machinists locations to pick up a part to make sure it's in the right spot.